Good morning. Look at those long toes. Look at how long his toes are. Oh my god. You're a little monkey. You're a little monkey, Adam. Look at here. You're a little monkey. Oh, look at you moving. Yeah, look at those long toes. Oh my god. Good morning, everyone. Look who just woke up. Say hi. Say hi. Adam. Adam, look at the camera. Here. Here. He has like very big bed head right now. So I just got a workout in. We also made some scrambled eggs this morning. We actually woke up pretty early. It's Sunday morning right now, and this little guy just woke up, and I'm gonna go ahead and feed him, and then we're also going to do some tummy time, and I need to get ready early because we are going to the Rams game today in LA, and I'm so excited. And my sister is going with us together with her fiance. So it's gonna be fun. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We do need to get ready pretty early, and we need to leave pretty early because we wanna be there about an hour before, and we need to pick them up, and it takes about an hour to get there. So about 2.5 hours before the game starts, it's when we would have to leave. So today it's going to be a little fast day. We just have to get everything done. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed him right now. We're gonna do some tummy time, and I'm gonna give him a little bath so he can be all clean and ready for his aunt to come and take care of him this afternoon. And I'm so sad. This is the first time that we're leaving him for this long. We've been to the game before, and my sister watched him, but it wasn't for that long because she lives in LA. So we drove out there with him, and then we picked him up. But this time around, we are actually driving out of Orange County without him and coming back without him. So that's like 2 extra hours. So it's definitely the longest time that we've left him, and I'm so sad. When he was born, he had his first bath, and this little guy was like screaming his head off. Like, he hated it. He was crying so bad. He just did not like the sensation of being in the water, I guess. And I was really surprised because I didn't know that they gave babies a bath on the first day that they're born. But yeah, that was this rude awakening. But then every time after that, he actually likes his baths. He really enjoys them. So I'm glad about that. I'm really happy about that because I've heard that there's some babies that they do not like bath time, and they do not enjoy it, and they'll just start crying and crying and crying, right? And yeah, he's definitely not like that. He definitely enjoys his baths, and bath time is definitely not crying time. It's like he gets really relaxed when he's taking a bath, right? You get really relaxed. And I go like little by little with a little baby shampoo like each time because he has really sensitive skin. So I rather use my hands than to use like a sponge or a towel or anything like that. if you guys know of anything that's like soft enough and that we can use for bath time, I would really appreciate it. I do have this little sponge that we got, that it's like a natural sponge. I think we got it at Bye Bye Baby or Target. I think it was in our registry. And I mean, it's good, but I still feel like his skin is too soft, like too young, not soft. His skin is not like super soft. So I use Tubby Tut creams on him, and it's like the only thing that works on him. If I put anything else on his skin, he'll have like baby acne the next day. It's crazy. Look who enjoys his bath time, huh? You like bath time? You do? Wash your little face already, huh? Aren't you so cute? And then I actually use conditioner in his hair because he has such long hair and it gets super tangled. So I use this Honest conditioner, gently nourishing. And I was reading online and it said it was safe for his age because it doesn't have a bunch of bad stuff in it. And yeah, I decided to give it a try and he loves it. It leaves his hair really soft and it smells really good too. Yeah, it smells really good and it smells clean. Yeah, it smells clean. Making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, dance, dance. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance. Have a good time. Dance, dance. All night long, we're gonna dance, dance. And have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Okay, so this guy's all ready for the day, and I feel so sad that we're leaving him. I'm going to feed him right now and put him down for a little nap. Hey guys, so we actually just got home from the Rams game in LA. Adam is sleeping and now we have to start organizing. Basically we have to pick up everything that's on the floor wherever there's carpet, because we are replacing our carpet tomorrow and they will move all the like bigger furniture stuff, but nothing that's small. So we're gonna start doing that now. So here's Mr. Sam. What's going on?
Yeah.
What's going on? So Sam has a bad paw and he keeps chewing on it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to put a cone on him again. Is it bad?
Yeah.
Oh, I can see it from here.
Yeah, it's raw.
It's red.
Well, he's chewing the skin off of it.
Yeah.
Look at.
Yeah, I can see it, and it looks like it hurt him when you touched it too, because he moved.
I need to take him to the vet tomorrow.
Yeah, we can take him to the vet, but I think tonight you should put the cone. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take these bottles upstairs while he's taking care of Sammy. and start moving stuff. There's a lot of work to like do any kind of upgrade in your house, like just something as simple as like replacing your carpet. You have to move everything. It's kind of a nightmare. While David is taking care of the dog, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash some bottles because I like to have all my bottles clean before going to bed. And these little toys. That's good to have clean too at the end of the night. So it could be clean for the rest of the day, the next day. Right, and oh, this one's clean. Good. So I know I said that I was going to try and make the holiday decorations this week, which was now last week. But to be honest, we just had so much going on with moving stuff around that we just didn't get to it. So tomorrow it's going to be the last thing that we do, and then we can make sure that we put everything back where it goes. So by then I will definitely have all of the holiday decorations up in the house. And I'm going to just do a vlog of like decorating with me kind of thing. It's gonna be interesting because I'm decorating for Christmas and Hanukkah. So I decided to kind of use the Hanukkah colors and still do some Christmas stuff. But if you guys are wondering what I'm doing, this is what I'm doing. So I put my hair up in like a little bun, and I put the little scrunchie like very, very loose so it doesn't leave any marks. And then in the morning when I wake up, my ends are super like nice and smooth and curl, and like with a nice curl on them. So I just like do like a one scrunchie, like just put it in once, and then make sure it's really up high here, and do one, the roll for my hair, and then put 2 clips in them to make sure that it stays put. But this is what it looks like. It looks a little crazy, but trust me, it leaves your hair looking really nice, and it gives you a lot of volume too. So my mom has been doing this with me for years. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I am thrilled to even have any views at all because I'm new at this whole thing. But thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my page so you can get alerts on any new videos that I make. And we will see you tomorrow for the next vlog. Bye.